Gantt chart is about timing. Guys, see, we want to create a formula that Excel will automatically display the days for us. For example, if we set the beginning to 5 and the end to 9 in this table, we want Excel to automatically show us these parts, for example, from the 5th to the 9th day in color. Our focus in this part should be to generate a number. For example, if the 5th to the 9th day is the start and end, it will show 1 from the 5th to the 9th column. Here, the start and the end are 2 and 3. Show columns 2 and 3 as 1 and so on until the end. So we have to write the formula to do this automatically. So we write the formula like this. Equals if, open parentheses, and if G3 larger equals start, and again, if G3 smaller equals end, closed parentheses, comma, number 1. We can put any number here, it doesn't matter, and otherwise show it as empty. A significant point here is that the start and end cells must be absolute and their column must be fixed. So, we put the $sign in the formula before D4 and E4. But for this cell, G3, its row must remain fixed so that it can move and be applied to the next rows. So, we make the G3 line absolute. Now, we copy the G3 column down and then we copy it forward. And now you will see that the number 1 is applied in all areas. Now in this part, we want to select the whole area because we want to color it. In the conditional section, select the highlight option and then the equal to option. From the window that opens, enter the number 1 in this section, select the desired color in this section and click OK. And now you will see all the cells that were the same are displayed with color.